kabaddi and kho-kho tag games, which are great.
In Panaji, Goa, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant was present at the grand opening parade of 56th International Film Festival of India earlier today. The event marked the beginning of one of the country's most prestigious film festivals, showcasing cinematic excellence from India and across the globe. The parade reflected the cultural vibrancy and festive spirit of Goa, setting the stage for days of screenings, discussions, and celebrations of world cinema. The Chief Minister's participation highlighted the state government's commitment to promoting Goa as a global hub for art, culture, and film tourism.
Honorable Governor of Goa, Sri Kusavati Ashok Gajapati Rajuji, Mrs. Gajapati Rajuji, Minister for the State Information Broadcasting and Parliamentary Affairs, Dr. L. Muruganji, Minister for the State Power and Renewable Energy, Sri Sripat Naikji, the Member of Parliament, Sri Sadhana Shet Tanodi, the Member of the Lok Sabha from the Kanpur, Ashwetji, the Secretary of the Information and Broadcasting, Sri Sanjay Jajuji, Anupam Kherji, Manoj Joshiji, rest all the dignitaries on the dais, all the ambassadors reporting from the different countries, the Chief Secretary, Dr. Kandavlu, the Festival Director, Shekhar Kapoor, Mr. Damu Naik, the President of Bharatiya Janata Party, Vice Chairman, Madam Dilala Lobo, the ministers from the Government of Goa, the MLAs from the Government of Goa, the legendary actors, Sri Balakrishnanji, and all other dignitaries on the dais. Once again, I welcome one and all those who have come specially for the International Film Festival 2025. समेस्त गोंयकारांक हांव परत एकदा येवकार दिता आसतना 2004तल्यान सुरवात जाल्ले इफी मनोहरभाई पर्रीकरांच्या कार्यकाळात सुरू जाल्ले इफी 2004 ते 2014 पर्यंत आम्ही गोंयचो प्रोग्रेस पळयता आणि इफीची डेव्हलपमेंट पळयता. 2014 इफी परमनंट व्हेन्यू गोंयाक डिक्लेअर केल्या उपरांत 2014 पासून आजपर्यंत इफीत जाल्ले बदल आणि गोंयांत जाल्ले बदल तुम्ही सगळ्या जाणांनी पळयल्या. म्हणून प्राऊडली सांगता आसतना खूप बरें दिसता की इफीच्या बरोबर गोंयचोय डेव्हलपमेंट तितक्याच मोठ्या प्रमाणात जाल्या आणि आम्ही सगळेजण आज पहिले फावटी या इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवलाच्या निमित्तान गोंयचे कल्चर, गोंयची क्रिएटिविटी आम्ही हांगा सेलिब्रेट करता. गोंयांतलो कल्चर आणि क्रिएटिव्ह दाखोवपा खातीर गोंयांतलो फ्लोड जेका आमी शिमग्या उत्सवाच्या निमित्तान मनयतात, गोंयांतल्या कार्निवलाच्या निमित्तान तयार केल्ले फ्लोड आज.
In Mumbai, NCP SCP MP Supriya Sule